Hello and welcome back to Homesteading, Northern Michigan. Today we are going to take care of this powdery mildew, and I'm going to show you exactly the process that I'm going to go through with doing this. I have experienced this before and I know how to get rid of it. So stay tuned, and if you haven't, hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and leave a comment. Let me know your thoughts and if this worked for you. Now, if it's too far down the road, you might not be able to recover from it. You might want to catch this early. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take and cut these off down low. All I'm using is some standard utility shears and cutting off the big ones with the powdery mildew. Discarding them away from the garden, because you don't want to shake the powder spores off onto the other leaves. That defeats the purpose. As you can see, the other two plants over this way are not that bad, but this one right here is definitely the problem plant. So there will be a lot removed from this one. Hopefully I can save it. I think it'll be okay. I think I caught it in time. She's gonna be looking a little bare, so it should be okay. That one's bad. These leaves that are overlapping other leaves, that builds up a layer of moisture that promotes this powdery mildew. All these ones laying on the ground, I get those out of here. They're not doing anything down there. Okay, so this is super simple. I have a spray bottle full halfway with tap water, cool tap water. Warm tap water might work better because it might activate the hydrogen peroxide better. This will not hurt your plants at all. I do a 50-50 mixture. I just eyeball it even. You can go a little strong if you want. I've never had a problem with it. So you just, like I said, I filled it up halfway, so. Filled her all the way up to the brim. Took about a half a bottle of hydrogen peroxide. I may use the whole thing on this. It doesn't hurt to keep a few bottles of this around at $1 a bottle or less on sale. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go through and I'm gonna spray the problem leaves really well. And this will neutralize all of the powdery mildew. Have it gone within a week. The damage that's already done to the leaves will be there, but it won't grow. And if you've dealt with this powdery mildew before, you know how fast this stuff can take off. So the best bet is to get it as quick as possible. Just run through spraying everything. Really easy, really cheap. These lowers I will remove later after it starts growing again. Same thing with the ones that are spotty. My wife swears by hydrogen peroxide. I used to use this quite a bit. It'll get rid of, if you're using a hydroponic system, it will get rid of root rot and actually reverse the damage, start growing new roots again. And I'm just gonna hit these cucumbers because they're in the same area as the squash, and these also love to get powdery mildew on them. They're already not looking the greatest. What's it gonna hurt? It doesn't hurt anything. Spray down all your plants if you like. Well, my friends, I'd like to thank you for watching Homesteading Northern Michigan. Hopefully these guys come back. I don't think there's gonna be a problem. I think I caught it in time, and that's what it's all about, is catching it in time. If you have high humidity or just like a really wet period of time, overlapping leaves, you're gonna have powdery mildew. So preventive maintenance, you can use peroxide and water all the time. You can do it once a week if you want. Or you can just cut away the leaves that I didn't do. I neglected them. So if you cut away the overlapping leaves and stuff, chances are going to be a lot lower that you're going to get powdery mildew. If you guys like the content, hit the subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and feel free to follow me on my Facebook page. You guys have a very blessed day. Peace. Before I end this video, I'd like to give a super special shout out to all the Michiganders who hit that join button. Your support is totally appreciated and is so amazing. Thank you.